Hi and welcome. Today I want to show you a video about should you buy a pre-built PC that you go around the shop and just buy it, come home, plug it in and ready to go, or should you build your own computer? Okay then, so first things first. I bought this computer for my son about 2.5 years ago, and to be honest, it was the most powerful PC they had in the shop when I bought it, and it was quite good because I had some options to upgrade as well. So the first upgrade was actually the graphics card. It came with a 2 gig graphics card, and one of the best for gaming, the guy at the shop said, but I knew it wasn't the best for gaming. My son hardly could get 30 frames per second, but I knew I could upgrade based on the motherboard I had. So let's open up and see what's happening. So basically, I managed to upgrade. The problem with upgrading from this to this, first of all, is the size. This is 2 gig, this is 4 gig. And it fits well, no problem whatsoever. But as it's connected right here, there's the USB 2.0 port from the motherboard. So to have this connected in here, the 2 USB ports on the front were useless. So that's first one to consider when you're buying a PC. Okay, fair enough, I could get a new case, but hey, I had a brand new computer, brand new case obviously. Why would I invest on a case? If I was to invest on a case, obviously, I would go and build my own computer. So that's my first point. So in this case, I would rather build my own PC. Then comes already prepared to add an extra hard drive, which I did. I actually added an SSD and retained the main hard drive. So fair points to the build. Cable management wise, it's terrible. Oh boy, very bad. But let's not go there. Also, I had 16 gig RAM built in when I bought, but I knew for a fact I was only using 2 slots. Therefore, I could upgrade from 16 to 32, which I did. Fair point to this. Now comes the biggest problem: airflow. This computer only has this tiny fan, probably, I don't know, 5 centimeters diameter, 6 centimeters diameter, and there's nothing else. Okay, fair enough, there's a fan on the back, but that's for the PSU. So in regards to cooling, not brilliant. So 2 years after I bought this computer, when I bought this computer it was 4-core computer. Now it's running only in 1 core. And why? Well, my son used to push it quite a bit, and there wasn't enough cooling system in here. So there you go. So you are better off to buy your own case, buy your own stuff, and then just create a nice design and add some fans to it. I could add some fans in here, but it would be pointless anyway. It would help, but I don't know if the motherboard would cope with that. So that's another one to bear in mind. Another thing is this PSU, it's a 220 watts PSU. Okay, for what we've got here, it's more than enough. And you can change it if something happens. But now comes the problem. If you buy a PC on the shop, they always ask, oh, do you want to purchase extended warranty? And you end up paying a lot of money for the extended warranty. And sometimes there's a small print, they don't cover this and this and this and that. If you're building your own computer, basically you have parts that there'll be 3 years warranty, 5 years warranty. So if the PSU goes, you take it to where you bought it, or the manufacturer, and they'll see what's happening, but you still have a computer, and for 50 quid you buy a PSU so you can run, at least you have a computer running for your either workflow or for your gaming. And the same goes with every single component that you get on a PC. Would I go to the shop and buy a new computer? No way. What did I do after this? I bought some parts and I built my son a computer. And the reason why I'm showing you this now is very simple. I'm building my own computer as well. And it's a computer with a twist. It's actually a desk PC. And there'll be videos about it on my channel, and so make sure you check it out. Thumbs up as well. It's really appreciated. But having the flexibility of you choosing your components, choosing it will be more reliable. It will give you a chance to operate even more. So for instance, I have 4 slots in here, RAM, okay, that's it, job done. I only can have this graphics card in here. So you can, these days, every motherboard has more than 2 PCIe slots, so you can actually upgrade to 2 graphics cards. In here there's only 3 SATA connectors, so you only can have 2 hard drives because the other one is for the memory card reader. So before you go to the shop and buy one, think about it, do your calculations. There's a website, pcpartpickers.com, if I'm not mistaken, that's the one. You can actually go and choose a CPU, choose the motherboard suitable for that CPU, PSU, graphics card, etc, etc, and it tells you that if everything is compatible or not. So there you go. This, bye bye, no chance. I hope you like this video, and I hope it helps you in any way. Don't forget, thumbs up if you like the video. If you didn't like the video, thumbs up as well, please. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and everyone you know and you don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.